Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing a recipe for cranberry sauce. This is going to be super quick and easy. I have here some cranberries, orange juice, cranberry juice. I have sugar, orange zest, 1 cinnamon stick, vanilla extract, and some salt. So to get started, we'll add all of the ingredients except the vanilla extract. We will leave that for last. We'll give these a good mix and we'll let it come up to a simmer. Once this starts to simmer, you'll hear the cranberries popping. This do not take a long time to cook at all. It takes about, let's say, 10 to 15 minutes, and we will allow it to thicken up and for the cranberries to become nice and soft. Once all the cranberries become nice and soft and it forms like a saucy consistency, that's how you know it's done. Now we will add the vanilla extract and we'll turn the heat off. And that's it. This is how super simple and easy it is to make cranberry sauce. We will plate this up and I'll show you guys the finished product. So I did pair this up with some cornbread dressing, roasted chicken, carrots, and potatoes. It was absolutely delicious. I will leave the link to the dressing down in the description box. And I do hope you guys give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe